na to, punta kami sa Calgary. Ayan, mamamasyal kami ng asawa ko tsaka yung kapatid ko. We will meet there in Calgary and we're having fun. Ayan, mag-tutor kami. Ayan, tapos yeah, see you there! Ayan, this is our way going there. Sana hindi masyadong madulas ang daan ngayon doon, papunta doon kasi nabalitaan namin kanina sa TV ano daw, low storm, snow, kaya God bless our way. Sa ngayon dito sa daan namin na dinadaanan, ayan, wala pa naman, safety pa naman dito ngayon, wala pang snow, so all clear and safe. Ayan guys, may video din pala dito. May video din pala dito guys sa Canada. And may McDo of course. McDo all over in Canada also. Ayan. That is the first time I've seen a video here in Canada.
I don't think it's back.
You're not sure? But exactly that is BMO and this is BDO. Center West. So he say that is, he's not sure if that BDO here is a bank.
Here's what I'm looking for.
And guess what we gotta buy here now? Which store we gonna do? We're gonna go
Cabana.
Cabana. Ayan, another name, store of cannabis. Here we go.
Good edibles in here. Can't really one.
Ingon ko sabi ko sa asawa ko, bibili ako ng chichirya. Ngayon, binigay sa akin yung card ko. Ako pa bibilhin niya sarili ko. Ako lang daw mag-isa. Para matuto ako. Ngayon, nandito na ako. Maghahanap ako ng chichirya. Kakainin namin sa daan kasi we still have 3 hours drive to go Calgary. Ayan. Alin kayo dito ang masarap guys? Sarap siguro to. And then cheddar, popcorn, and it's so cute.
You see that receipt for me?
I buy this for my kids. What is that, love?
Snow plow. Plowing and sanding the road.
Yung nakasalubong namin ngayon lang, ayun yung nagtutunaw ng mga snow. Ayan, yung snow, what was that?
Snow plow and sanding unit.
Snow plow. Parang ginaararo niya yung
Because right away this road.
Inaararo niya yung mga snow.
When the sun goes down, this road will get real icy.
Ayan, siguro, ayan yung kapatid ko. Ayan, nandyan sila sa likod namin.
Yeah, he's really driving slow now.
Now, hindi ka pwedeng magpalakas dito ng takbo. Takbo namin 63 speed. Kasi sobrang madulas talaga guys. Sobrang dulas ng daan. Ayan. It's really adventurous today. Yeah. It is also very challenging for the driver. Okay. Buti na lang yung sasakyan namin. ano to, pwede niyang maset yung wheels niya ng snow or slippery. Ganyan. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung likod. Guys, ayan yung kapatid ko. Ayan yung asawa ko. Snow na talaga ngayon. Ayan. See? Ay, diba? Naman ko, ang pinakamalalim pala to dito, guys. Say hi! Welcome to Canada!
Yeah, we'll just take our time. It's not far back to the highway.
Yeah. See? Andito kami sa, Pasko na talaga dito. Ayan.
Just told King, like, you cannot drive like fast and...
Ayan, nandito kami. Pasko. Ayan, parang how many inches that love?
Wow. Okay, let's go because the car's coming.
Nandun. Grabe. Oh, puti na. You can't see the color of the road already. It's all over white, guys. Puti-puti yan. Lahat. Ang ganda. Super.
Everybody that's on this road knows how to drive these roads.
Ang daming baka. Yan, lahat yan sila baka. Yan, baka. Kahit winter, andun pa rin sila sa labas. Kasi yung mga damo, yung tinatawag nila na green hay, ano nila yun, naka-roll na yun na parang ano ba, tawag nito eh. Tapos meron na yan silang pagkain talaga na kasi wala lang tutubo na dahon ngayon eh. Kaya nung summer pa lang, pagdating ng November, kina-harvest na nila yung pagkain ng mga baka para makasurvive yung mga alaga nila habang the winter. I'm very amazed that all carabaos and cows, they survive in the field.
Deer and there in the bush right by the house.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so that is that not really danger to live there with in the bush, and there are there are so many live animals in there.
Oh, them deer, they're staying by that house to protect themselves from wolves.
Serious?
Yeah.
Wow.
This is wolf country here.
Yeah, only attacking there is a wolf. Yeah, naninigarin yung kasama ko. Ako naman, ginawa ko dito, nakadupat ako kung saan yung mainit. Kasi malamig eh. Ayan, ang lamig-lamig pa naman dito. Tapos bubuksan pa niya yung bintana kasi naninig ka rin siya. Kaya ako nakatutok ako kung saan yung mainit kasi para makilos. Nagkurop-kurop na yung giti ko. Grabe kalamig ko eh. Ayan. Ayan guys. Sabi na lang. Natapos din siya panigarin nyo. Kaya yan. Sinarado na niyo sinarado.
And obviously you definitely get lost and it's awesome. And hell yeah for the annual Christmas food drive.
When you were doing cigarette and it was open, the window, and I felt the cold air, I was shivering, I hold like this in my video. I am feeling the hot place, the hot part in my body. Yan, inabot na kami ng gabi kasi hindi pwedeng takbo ng mas mabilis dito kasi talagang madulas yung kalsada kasi nag-yelo po yan. Kailangan talaga marunong ka mag-drive dito dahil kung hindi, simplang ka doon sa pinakamalalim doon sa gilid. Hindi pwede ang bagong driver dito. Wala lang nadiha guys. Kuan kayo no, very adventurous, excitement kayo dito sa atong gagian. Hi. Oh.
Mas mayon ta sayo ta no.
Oh, pero okay ra. At least na nata dire, nice kay area.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Saan siya rin? Condominium no?
Mura siya ginana. Oh, ako sulod ko dito. Gawas dayar, mafili mo gabugnaw. Yan. Makaya raog koan. Mga 2 minutes, gitugnaw na ko. Gitugnaw na ko 2 minutes. Ha? May naliligo doon guys. Yan na yung, nasa snow kami pero ayun yung hot spring nila. Doon, hot pool. Pwede maligo doon.
Follow me.
Say something. You're.
Yeah. Oh my God. Look, it's 1 inch. Ooh, what's so cold?